Okay, so here is the problem today. In this video we are going to do a very simple math problem, and you're going to be surprised that many of you are actually going to get this wrong. So here is the problem. We have 8 divided by 4 and divided by 2. Very simple problem, no huge numbers, no squares, no parentheses right here, only 8, 4 and 2. And of course, most of you like, yes, I can handle this is basic division, I can easily solve it. But a lot of students do that common mistake, and I suggest you to pause the video and try to solve it real quick by yourself. We have option A, we can option B, so write your option down in a comment and let's check our answer in the end of the video. Yeah, so a lot of students do this common mistake, maybe not mistake. Let's see this solution. So we have 8 divided by 4 and divided by 2. Yeah, a lot of students do this step right here. So they start with this division. A lot of students do this. So 4 divided by 2, start with this division. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. And they still have 8 in the beginning. Yeah. And as a result, 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. Yeah, this is the first approach. A lot of students do this, and this is option A. But how can we find this option B? Okay, let's do the second approach. So we have 8 divided by 4 and divided by 2. And then students go from here, from left to right. They divide first, they divide 8 divided by 4, which is equal to 2, and 2 divided by 2 equal to 1, and this is option B. So as you can see, two different approaches, but which one is correct? Because obviously whatever order you select is going to create a different answer, right? So we need to understand what is the correct order to do this problem. And in this video I'm going to show you how can we solve this correctly. So again, let me just read you this PEMDAS order. Yeah, so first, parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Yeah, and first of all, let's try to think a little bit about the solution. So first of all, we have parentheses. Yeah, do we have parentheses right here? 8, 4, all division, no parentheses. Yeah, I don't see any parentheses. What about exponent? I don't see any exponent. Yeah. What about multiplication and division, which is one group? Okay. So multiplication, I don't have any multiplication sign. We have only division. We don't have addition and subtraction. So we still have only division, sorry. Yeah. So if we have only division, we need to go from left to right. Yeah. But which one is correctly? Of course, this one, because take a look. We go from here, from left to right. Right here, we go from right to left, which is absolutely incorrect, yeah? So if we go from left to right, we start with this one. So 8 divided by 4 equal to 2. And then divide by this 2, which is equal to 1. So this option looks like great for us. So 1 is absolutely correct answer. But a lot of students ask me about these approaches. And they ask me why 4 is incorrect, and then I told them, okay, if you put parentheses right here, your answer 4 is correct. Yeah, because with parentheses we start. Yeah, PEMDAS, we start with parentheses, and then you start with this step, 4 divided by 2 equal to 2, and then last step, simple division, 8 divided by 2, which is equal to 4. Yeah. So if you wanted to get this 4, you need to put brackets, you need to put parentheses right here. But absolutely correct answer is option B. And I hope your answer is correct, yeah? So if you made this error, I'm happy you made it, because you won't make this again. You'll be like, now, okay, let's go ahead and apply the order of operation, PEMDAS order, and now pretty easy stuff. So here is our problem. So anytime you're faced with like a numeric expression like that, and you'll get better at this through practice, yeah? So you won't be thinking like, okay, this is PEMDAS order, and step by step we start to solve it. So definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong, okay? Now if you need to learn basic maths, interesting brain test, IQ question, right? If you're struggling with basic maths or like pre-algebra concepts, subscribe to my channel, I really appreciate it. I definitely wish you all the best in your mathematics. Thank you for watching, thank you for your time, and have a great day.